Hello, and welcome to Everything Finance, where I help business owners get funded, startup business owners get funded, and also offer credit repair service to help not only business owners, but regular people as well. So, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why HVAC is the best trade. Alright, we're going to talk about HVAC, basically representing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It's also considered a good trade choice due to its growing demand, competitive salaries, and opportunities for on-the-job training. The HVAC industry is constantly evolving, requiring technicians to stay current with new technologies, leading to both career growth and higher earning potential. Now, that's also true because this is a very highly underlooked industry. You know, you can make a lot of money with this industry, and also once you graduate, it is a company that I'm gonna tell you about. If you want to start your own HVAC company and build it from the ground up, I have a company that I partner with that helps out with that, and they deals with that specifically. So one of them, that's one of the companies that they deal with. They deal with HVAC. Here's a more detailed look at why HVAC is a promising career. High demand and job security. HVAC technicians are high in demand, and this trend is projected to continue. The need for skilled workers is especially strong, and experienced technicians retire, creating a gap in the workforce. HVAC systems are essential in all climates and building types, ensuring year-round job availability. Now, let's talk about salaries for a little bit. Competitive salaries and earning potential. HVAC technicians can earn competitive salaries, with the average starting at around $49,500 per year and potentially exceeding $100,000 per year with experience and specialized skills. The Bureau of Labor Statistics report that HVAC technicians earn a median wage of $23.43 per hour, with some earning significantly more. Income can vary based on locations, with higher salaries often seen in urban areas or regions with a higher cost of living. So you got that. Okay, on-the-job training and growth opportunities. HVAC technicians typically begin with an apprenticeship, gaining hands-on experience while earning a salary. The industry offers ample opportunities for continuing education and skill development, leading to career advancement and higher pay. Training programs are often more affordable and shorter than traditional college's degrees, allowing individuals to enter the workforce sooner. Okay, so you have versatility and variety. HVAC technicians work in a wide range of settings, include residential homes, commercial buildings, schools, hospitals, and factories. The work involves troubleshooting, installing, repairing, and maintenance various HVAC systems, providing various and intellectual stimulation. HVAC combines elements of different trades, such as plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, making it a well-rounded career. And also to add to that, um, once you graduate and you become an apprentice, you should also get an electrician license. That goes hand in hand. A sense of fulfillment and pride. HVAC technicians play a vital role in ensuring comfort and safety for people in their homes and workplaces. The work can be physically demanding, but it offers a sense of accomplishment and pride in others that you are helping. Technicians often experience the satisfaction of solving problems and restoring systems to proper function. So, in other words, you can, once you graduate and get your certificate, like I said, you should get electrician license on top of that. Once you do that, so you can broaden your consumer base. But once you do that, you can work for somebody or work for a company for a little while or whatever. But you can really start and really do your own thing. Now, once you do your own thing, that's when the real money come in. Once you start finding your own customers, once you get your own utility van with your own tools, that's when the real money is going to come in at. Like I said, everybody has to start from somewhere. Everybody has to be somebody's apprentice. But the goal, as far as HVAC is concerned, is to get out of the apprentice, to get out of that step, But, once you start the apprenticeship and, you work under the apprenticeship, for maybe a couple of months, what I'm saying? Maybe about, I don't know, maybe 8 months once you graduate or something like that. Your goal should be after that 8-month period or even a year period, however long you want to stay there. Once you do that, it's time for you to go out on your own, and start doing your own thing. Because if you want to make a good living or a better living, you will have to start your own HVAC company. You have technicians up under you. You have several utility trucks, and you go out there. You could be, depending on how many trucks you got, utility trucks you got, you can gross at least $1 million a year. So that's kind of like the low-key career profession that nobody really talks about a lot here on YouTube. So that concludes this video. I hope you learned some things, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the video, and check out the links in the bottom of the description. And the company that totally works with this solely is Toro, which is a startup financial institution, and I will leave the link in the video. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, bro.